Once again, we're looking at the John Deere 70. Was raking last week and noticed that this left tire started looking funny, like it was bulging out, and then I realized it was bulging out. I don't know how well you can see that or not, but what happened, it actually started to rust out around the valve core. And it went a little farther and a little farther, then it just kept going. And it also went the other way, came up, actually started to crack out towards the bead, and that left that bead actually pushed that out, I don't know, probably ½ an inch. But it's cracked. So on the back of my truck, I have another rim, so that's another job. Pump the fluid out and change the John Deere rim. The other side is already done. Other than that, it works really well for raking, except you do not have power steering.